So this is oraimo SpaceBox Mini Bluetooth speaker with a built-in FM radio, a personalized live show, and a playtime boost mode and many other features. So let's unbox this device and check out how it works and its amazing features. So this device costs 280 cedis on the oraimo eShop, and with that you can get up to 5% discount if you use the code KwameFortune. So straight from the box is the oraimo SpaceBox and the user manual. So make sure you go to the user manual to know how you can set this up with the oraimo sound app. And it comes with a Type-C charger for charging and a micro SD card slot in case you want to play music without connecting to the Bluetooth. So let's check out the features. Make sure you follow oraimo Ghana by just scanning the QR code or just searching oraimo Ghana on all platforms for more surprises. So this is how you connect the oraimo SpaceBox with the app. So first of all, you need to turn on your Bluetooth on your phone and you press the power button on the device. You just pair it and connect it. After that, you on your internet and download the oraimo sound app on either App Store or the Play Store. And make sure you sync it together. After syncing it together, that's where you get access to the playtime show, like how you can customize the colors or how you can customize the equalizer and the heavy bass technology within the app. So let's customize the lighting effect whilst playing some music. So and this is how you also tune the equalizer settings, the heavy bass or your own custom bass in the oraimo sound app. So the oraimo SpaceBox can play from 5 to 16 hours per charge and the playtime boost mode for 7 to 30 hours. So you can enjoy 16 hours of uninterrupted playtime supported by the low energy chipset and the 1800 mAh battery, and goes to 7 to 30 hours with playtime boost mode in the oraimo sound app. And this device can be used as a travel companion. You take it on road trips or flights without worrying about the frequent charging because of the battery and the playtime. And the built-in FM radio, you can stay connected with your favorite stations. Then it can be used in internet-free zones, perfect for areas with limited or no internet access, such as the rural settings or remote camping spots. So anytime you are even camping or in an area where you don't have any internet to connect to the oraimo sound app, you can still use the device with your Bluetooth connection on or even the SD card. So the portable design of the device allows you to carry it along anywhere you go, and it's perfect for small night out, house parties, or even enjoy time alone with some quality music and customizable light effects. So make sure you like, follow, and share this video for more.